Hello, welcome to this virtual press conference from the United Nations headquarters in New York. I'm pleased to introduce the Secretary General of the United Nations, Antonio Guterres.
Our world faces a common enemy, COVID-19. The virus does not care about nationality or ethnicity. Sorry. The virus... Can we start again, please? Sorry.
Thank you very much. We're gonna start the statement again. Thank you very much for your patience.
Our world faces a common enemy, COVID-19.
So let's look at the what's up board. What is the UN doing to spread the disease in Yemen? And happy International Day of Happiness. Great. Good afternoon and welcome to a bit of a brand new world here. We're testing out this system so we can do the press briefing remotely. I'm doing this from my home. I've been getting in your questions via text, and I'll try to answer them. Jessica asked if we can still go to your offices. Yes, you'll be able to go to your offices. I think I have answered or been able to answer most of the questions that I'm able.
I asked you about Cameroon. I asked you about child rapes. You didn't answer a single question. You're not a spokesman. You're a censor. And it's corrupt, totally corrupt. There he goes, Stefan Dujarric.